In this tutorial, we'll be having a look at the E Harmonic Minor Scale, which is the relative minor of the G major scale. We'll still be using only one accidental, which is F sharp, but since it's the harmonic scale, we'll be raising the seventh pitch, which is D, to D sharp. Before we get started, pop me a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check that bell notification for any future videos. And again, thanks for watching. Let's get started with the right hand, one octave. Starting on E, we're going to have E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D sharp, E. Coming back down the same way. Left hand, starting on E, fifth finger. Remembering the D sharp. Doing this hands together. For 2 octaves, we'll just be copying and pasting those standard scale fingering. Right hand first. Left hand. Hands together. Since we are playing Hanon, we will be doing it for 4 octaves with a repeat, starting nice and low. At the end of the exercise, we have the cadential progression. Optional, but still a very good idea to practice this nonetheless. Let's have a look. We're going to start on E at the bottom. Left hand's going to come up 1 octave, A. We're going to have F sharp, C, and E in the right. Left hand's going to move up to B. We're going to have G, B, and E in the right. Hop all the way down to B in the left, while the right's going to play D sharp, A, B, and F sharp inside of the keys. And finally, we'll come back to E, and we have E, G, B, and E. Big stretch again in our right hand. And that ends the E Harmonic Minor Scale. Happy practicing!